Today we are taking a closer look at this tiller. I received it as a gift, and in this video I'd like to share with you the things that I absolutely love about it, as well as the things that I wish were different. So here's what was included in the box. We have our tiller, a mud guard, we have a handle, 2 batteries, charger for the batteries, we have a screwdriver, user manual, and 2 extra wheels. And this one's if you want to just mix in the soil without digging, and this is to break down the soil and to dig it. So you're gonna pull on this ring until it snaps into place, and then we're gonna secure it on the side right here. We're gonna unscrew the screw and we're gonna put it over our handle, and this is for you to hold on to the tool. So you want to position it at the length where it is comfortable for your hand. For me, it's gonna be around here, and then we're gonna secure it. And finally, we're gonna attach our mud guard. First, you wanna remove this screw, and then we're gonna slide the guard into its place, and we're gonna screw in the screw to keep it in place. One of my most favorite feature is the battery. It is compatible with DeWalt batteries, so if something happens to your battery, you can always use DeWalt replacement batteries. So I really like how universal this is. We have an indicator that shows how much battery life we have left. Also, we have a little display right here that shows you your battery life in real time. So it is super convenient because when you are working, you don't have to stop, take out the battery to check the battery life. You're gonna see it on this panel right here. For the things that I wish were different is I wish this tiller had adjustable handle, because as you can see, it is almost as tall as me. I am pretty short person, so it is a little bit uncomfortable for me. I haven't watered the soil, so it is very dry, like bone dry, and it cut through it like without any issue. And the other thing that I really like about it is pretty low noise, much more quieter than the one I have. So I think this is nice tiller. I do like it. Do recommend it for sure.